The Essentials Kit. So while the items and colors of these items may change over time, this kit will remain the same in its essence. So what you get here is one of our small calculators. It's super cute. Right now, the color we are offering is pink. You also get a teller slip. The teller slip is what you use to let your teller at your bank know what denominations you need in order to cash stuff. This item pairs well with another item in this packet, the cash breakdown. So here's where you calculate how many bills you'll need. So say one of your sinking funds is Christmas and you want to cash stuff $100 this paycheck. Here you would note whether you want to do that with the $100 bill, a 50, 5 20s, 10 10s, however you want it. And then here at the bottom, you calculate the total, transfer those totals over to the teller slip, take this to the bank, and they'll give you the proper cash. You also get a set of our placeholders. These are what we like to consider fake bills almost. So you get a 300, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, and fully funded. And so what happens is within your sinking funds, once you reach one of these goal amounts, you want to deposit that money into the bank and insert the placeholder into your envelope so that you can stay on track with saving, but you're not missing any interest in the bank. These are really important for those of you who don't like holding on to a ton of cash. And very last here, you get some budget sheets, and these are to track the cash flow within your cash envelopes. So whenever you add to or take money from any envelopes, you want to note it here on these budget sheets. And that is everything that is included in our Essentials Kit.